of what you're going to come up with. These are then sizzling away, whizzling away.
Yeah, the Coca-Cola. Yep, that's Coke.
Okay.
Yes.
Now it's reducing. It's doing its thing. Now we're going to recap. Mrs. Swan is going to tell you with the cook, okay, what the actual recipe was again. We're going to redo that. Okay, here we go.
I don't want to.
Mrs. Swan? Okay.
So we get the Coke. And,
Get the cook.
The Coke. The big fat yummy Coke. And we get 3/4 of a cup of Coke. The big fat yummy Coke. and yeah, and the other stuff.
Quarter soy sauce.
Oh yeah, and the soy sauce. Oh, here in the cupboard. Oh, the soy sauce. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 3/4 cup of the Coke.
A nice big cook.
Nice big Coke, that's right. And then we have yes, that's the puppy dog. Then we have 2 tablespoons
Did we put the
of
doggy
brown sugar. Shush.
Did we put doggy in it?
Yes!
And then we have a tablespoon of the mustard, American mustard. That's right. And then we mix it all up. And that's my puppy dog. And then this is what we get when we add to the chicken.
Very good. So, we'll show you at the end what happens.